What you wanna do, I'll be down for you. I want this to be true. I'm gonna put it down for you. I'll go crazy over you.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a skincare routine. Let me get these lights on my face. But today I'm gonna do a skincare routine because I've been talking about hosting a skincare routine for a minute now. Unfortunately, I had a lot of shit going on. I had 2 babies back to back. You know what I'm saying? Almost died from those pregnancies. Not pregnancies, but births. I didn't die from the pregnancy. I almost died from the births. But if y'all want a story about that, let me know. But anyways, let's get on into the video. I slept in almost 2 days. So I look very restless. I have dark under eyes, all of that. Just don't pay attention to that. Let's just get into the video. So I do a double cleanse, but I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to use the foaming cleanser by CeraVe or the hydrating facial cleanser by CeraVe, because I have both. I usually use this one to wash off my face first, and this one to hydrate my face. It really just depends. I also have this, which I use to make sure no acne is on my face and stuff. I'm gonna go in with this one. Consistency. I'm just gonna use this to cleanse my face. Honestly, just taking all the dirt and debris off from this day. I'll be right back because one of my sons are crying. So I do have a tattoo right here. So I did do this on my neck. And I do have a tattoo right here. So I can't kind of go over the tattoo too much because I literally just got it yesterday. So just bear with me. But usually I literally wash my entire neck. But I did wash it with everything time. So I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so now it usually depends on how my skin is feeling on which cleanser I use next. The cleanser, if I want to use the acne. I don't have any acne right now, but just in case, because I see like my lip right here might be trying to form something. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Let me show you guys. This cleanser, just to treat the acne, because so I use this one just to cleanse the dirt and everything off my face, and then I use this one to treat acne. So now this does give like soap has like a refreshing feeling to it. Like it's like when you're done using this, it almost feels like it's not minty. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like well, I'm quite literally explaining it. So what am I talking about? But it feels like a refreshing feeling. Like after you use this, like it's almost like it's not like a burning, tingling sensation. It's just kind of like a tingling, like refreshing type of situation. If you understand what I'm saying. And don't forget to bring this on your neck, you guys. Like, I keep stopping, and I know it looks like I come back with a dry face, and it's because I keep having to go in between and help my son, but it's fine. We just washed that off, so my face is like really clean. It's really clean. You know what I'm saying? 1 second. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the serums that I use. So usually, I like to start off with the Niacinamide, 10% plus Zinc, 1%. This is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, but I ran out. So lately, I haven't been using it, but my skin looks good, so do I really need it? No, just kidding, I'm going to buy more of that. Anyways, this is the lactic acid 10% plus hyaluronic acid. So I go in with this, and I take a decent amount, like this, and I drop it like this. Make sure you do not touch the dropper because you're just gonna put the bacteria back into your bottle, and that is not good for your skin because you're just gonna basically be putting bacteria back on your skin, and nobody wants that. Everybody just wants clear, glowing skin, you know what I mean? Clear, glowing, and moisturized skin. Nobody wants the bacteria that could cause like acne and stuff on your skin. I feel like every time I come back, it's moved a little bit because I keep positioning the camera and having to come back and forth. But you know, it's whatever. When you're a mom, you get shit done. Oh, by the way, so the reason why I use the lactic acid tint is because that is what, it's a chemical exfoliant, essentially. You know what I'm saying? So it like gets the dead skin and it gets the imperfections and stuff that's in my nose, the impurities. That's the correct word I was looking for. The impurities out of my nose, and you know, like I typically have. Sorry, I go back and forth, so I'm trying to just catch my breath a little bit, just to like slow down. I'm a mom of 2 under 2, so if you know, you know. It's a lot, but I manage, and I'm a full-time college student, so your girl is tired. But so this just gets like the impurities out of my nose and like my T-zone area. So I have dry combination skin, so typically it's like it's like dry. But then in this area, like right here and in my nose and then around my lips, sometimes my chin, I can get like blackheads and stuff. So I use this to treat that, but I also use the niacinamide for that. However, once again, like I said, I ran out. So now we're just gonna go on with this, which actually helps with hyperpigmentation. Now, hear me out. I really don't have hyperpigmentation. Like, I don't have dark spots and stuff for real. But I do have dark under eyes. And what I realized is when I use this compared with my eye creams, it lightens everything up. So essentially, I'm basically just kind of using it to prevent dark spots and to help my dark circles. But I don't really have dark spots. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Essentially, that's what I'm getting at. And drop that too. I'm just gonna take this on my face. This on my face. I put this all over my face also. Actually go in with the caffeine solution 5%. This is to tackle my under eyes. I don't take much of this. I literally don't take too much of this. I just put it on my ring finger because your ring finger is your most delicate finger. I just put this on my ring finger like this. Take a few drops. Like 1 or 2 drops, and I put it underneath my eye. It's the fact that I almost put it in my eye like this. And then I put it over my eye too, and I kind of go in this cycle like this. Just to make sure that. I don't know if it's me, but I'm automatically seeing like a difference. I don't know, I feel like after I do my skincare routine, I automatically start seeing a difference a little bit, but this stuff does take a couple of weeks before everything starts working. Okay, so now after that, I go in with another eye cream, and this is the All About Eyes Red. So it reduces dark circles and puffs by Clinique, and I just use this. And I use it under my eyes also because I really am, ever since like I've been going to school and doing the mom stuff. Like you see, it's automatically doing the difference. Like I just did this one, but I filmed that for TikTok. But you see, it's like automatically lightening my eyes. You see the difference? Like it's already doing it. But so after like being pregnant and having two kids and barely sleeping, being pregnant twice. And barely sleeping and having to do schoolwork and stuff, I've really been struggling with dark eyes, like dark circles on my eyes. So I really made sure I put on this eye cream because I'm only 22 years old, and I do not got time to be itchy fast. You know what I'm saying? Like literally, you can already see the difference between my eyes. You already see it. This stuff works. So, like I said, I turn in and out, so I'm not changing in positions on where the camera is located. That's fine. Okay. So the next part is actually my favorite part because it's moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72-hour Hydrator. The packaging is really old, but I haven't even had this for like, I haven't even had this for 6 months, so this one, bear with me. Okay, so I put the moisture surge like all over my face. Got the food from the door and also my son because so both my 1-year-old and my 3-month-old are awake right now. But you know, it's whatever. Anyways, let me fix this. So this is what my face looks like after moisturizing. Like this moisturizer is extremely moisturizing, like extremely moisturizing. There's hyaluronic acid in this also, and I basically put it on my face twice because 2 of the other products I use, the lactic acid and the alpha, whatever that thing is called, has it in there. Just give me 1 second because my son is crying. Okay, last but not least, I know this might not sound important, but it is because it is a part of your face, so I consider it part of my skincare routine. But I also use this lip moisturizer. And this is the finished skincare routine. I love all the moisturizer.